Welcome to our complete guide on Orient Inverter AC error codes. In this video, you will learn the meaning of all error codes, their causes, and easy solutions. This guide is helpful for technicians and home users. On this channel, we explain AC errors in simple language, one error at a time. Before we start, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Don't forget to like the video. E1 error shows a fault in the indoor room temperature sensor. E2 error indicates a problem with the indoor pipe temperature sensor.
E3 error means the outdoor ambient temperature sensor is faulty.
E4 error indicates an outdoor pipe temperature sensor issue.
E5 error shows a fault in the indoor fan motor.
E6 error indicates a problem with the outdoor fan motor. E7 error appears due to high or low voltage. E8 error means inverter IPM protection is active. E9 error indicates a PCB memory or EEPROM fault. F0 error shows low gas or refrigerant leakage. F1 error indicates high compressor discharge temperature. F2 error appears due to compressor overcurrent. F3 error means the compressor failed to start. F4 error indicates compressor phase or lock problem. H1 means the AC is in defrost mode. H2 error indicates system overheat protection. H3 error means high pressure protection is active. H4 error indicates low pressure protection. P0 error shows inverter IPM temperature protection. P1 error appears due to abnormal voltage. P2 error means compressor overcurrent protection. P3 error indicates extreme outdoor temperature. P4 error means discharge temperature sensor fault. That's the complete guide to Orient Inverter AC error codes. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe for more AC repair tutorials.
If you're enjoying this, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Your support helps us make more great content.